Hello all, this is Ashwin again. So this tutorial is about unboxing of Bolt IoT. Recently the founders of Bolt IoT have sent me their package and we are going to have a look at unboxing video of this. So this is my first unboxing video, so it might not be perfect. So really sorry if I do not follow any standards for unboxing and all that sort of stuff. So let us get started. So this is the package which arrived just today. Just a couple of hours ago, I received this package and I can see an address on this package. It says Inventron Private Limited and it says some address in Karnataka. Okay, and it also says designed by Inventron Private Limited, made in India. So this is essentially a made in India product. And if you are an Indian and watching this video, please do like it because this is a made in India stuff. So let us go ahead and unbox this. So we just need to push it like this. And yeah, here is the leaflet. It says something, let's read it. It says Bolt. To get started, visit cloud.boltiot.com and click on the quick start guide in the docs tab. Okay, so this is something that we are going to follow up later. So as of now, we are just going to have a look at the components in the box and we will try to understand what the components mean. So this is the first thing that we have. So it seems like there is some chip. Okay, it's not a chip, it's a PCB and it has got headers. Okay, it has got female headers on it. So let me bring it near the camera lens. Yeah, and there are some markings on this thing, on these headers. Okay, so these markings read 1, 2, 3, 4. So these seems like digital IO pins, and here these markings read 5 volt, 3.3 volt and ground. Okay, so this header is for power. Okay, and this header also seems to be for the input and output. So 0 stands for, it seems like a digital input. A0 stands for analog input. So this is nothing but ADC, analog to digital converter. Okay, so there is a analog to digital converter corresponding to this pin, and this is TX and RX. TX and RX is nothing but the serial IO, serial input output. And finally we are going to have a look at what sort of chip that they are using for connecting to the internet as well as the network. So it seems that the chip is ESP-12S, and yeah, that's pretty much regarding with this product. If you are going to flip it, then it will have the Bolt logo, and also there is actually a jack for micro USB cord through which it can be interfaced to your computer or to the power. And there are quite a few of LEDs here. This is one LED, this is the second LED, and this seems like a resistor. And this seems like it reads, this LED reads cloud. Okay, so I think that this LED shows the interconnectivity to the network, and this is for power probably. And that's pretty much about this particular board. Okay, Bolt IoT board. Now let us have a look at what else is there in the package. Okay, so we have got assortment of components here. So we have got some male to female jumper cables. Okay, and then this is, I don't know what this thing is. So this seems like I'm not quite sure what this is. Okay, this seems like some sort of sensor, sound sensor probably. And let's have a look at the other components. Okay, and there are few LEDs, a few resistors. Okay, 3 resistors, a push button switch. Okay, it's a breadboard friendly push button switch. This seems like a transistor because it has got 3 legs. And finally, this is LDR. LDR stands for light dependent resistor. So if you are working with electronics or IoT, you must know what this thing means. So this is what pretty much it is. And let's have a look at what else is there. It seems to have a sticker sort of thing with the Bolt IoT. Okay, and there is no documentation provided as such. So this is pretty much what documentation is. So we can just go ahead and check here on the given link. It says cloud.boltiot.com. So once we are done with the unboxing, we can go ahead with building of the applications using this Bolt IoT kit. Thanks a lot. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time.